Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Galaxy Z6 and Galaxy S24 FE launch events are behind us. And with only a couple of months left before the end of the year, the next big thing from Samsung will be the Galaxy S25 flagship series. We all expect Samsung to announce the Galaxy S25 lineup in early 2025. The tech giant hasn't said anything officially, but much has been rumored and revealed through leaks in recent months. As usual, the series should consist of a base model, a Plus, and an Ultra, but our focus now is on the top-tier variant. One of the biggest changes the Galaxy S25 Ultra will bring pertains to the exterior design. Gone will be the boxy frame with sharp corners, and in its place, the Ultra phone will feature a flatter frame with more rounded corners. The front and back panels will also be perfectly flat. This move will make the Galaxy S25 Ultra look more modern and in line with the rest of the flagship series. But it won't be the only aesthetic upgrade for the Ultra series in 2025. Leaks also suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra camera rings look similar to the Galaxy Z Fold SIXS and have fine ridges circling the lenses. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain the S Pen, and early fan-made renders based on supply chain information say the S Pen holster is located on the left side. Samsung appears to have put a lot of work into slimming the S25 Ultra bezels. The frame, which should be made from titanium, will be narrower than the Galaxy S24 Ultra frame. Because of these design changes and thinner bezels, Samsung will supposedly fit a slightly larger display on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, one that measures 6.9 inches instead of 6.8 inches. There's been a lot of talk about the choice of chipsets for the Galaxy S25 series. And now that the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra use a high-end MediaTek chip for the first time in the lineup's history, the possibility of Samsung using a MediaTek SoC or the Dimensity 9400 for its next-gen flagship phone seems higher than ever. Some reports say it's more likely that Samsung will use the Exynos 2500 SoC, developed in-house, in some regions, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The Galaxy S25 Ultra could sport 16GB of RAM, up from 12GB, although a 12GB RAM base option might also exist. As for storage, the Galaxy S25 Ultra should be offered with 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. We don't expect battery specifications to change. Based on existing data, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh unit with 45W fast charging capabilities. One significant upgrade could consist of a higher resolution ultra-wide camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to sport a 50MP ultra-wide shooter with 1 of 2.52 optical format, an f1.9 aperture, and 0.7 pixels. Aside from the ultra-wide sensor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely be equipped with a 200MP main camera, a 10MP 3x telephoto shooter, another 50MP 5x telephoto camera, and a 12MP selfie unit. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. One, peace out.